how to allow access on Google Drive. If you have any kind of file, photos, or any media on your Google Drive and you want to share it to someone, this is how you can allow access to your files or media uploaded in Google Drive. First, you will have to open your web browser, and from here you can open your Google Drive and make sure you have logged into the account that you want to share your file from. So make sure the account is correct. So from here, let's say if I want to share this profile picture right here with someone, if I want to do that, what I can do is simply go here and select it. From here, you can directly click on share right here, this option right here, or you can right click and then click on share. So from here, you can tap on this option. Here is also a shortcut, so you can use Ctrl plus Alt plus A as well. So just click on it, and this will open up the link, sharing link for this particular picture. So right here, as you can see, right now I'm the only one with the access to this photo. So if I want to add someone, you can type in their email address right here and select their name. After you do that, you can copy link. So one important thing you have to make sure is you have to set this to anyone with the link. So if it's restricted, they will ask you for another verification or another access to this file. So make sure it's selected on anyone with the link. If you do this, you can copy link and they will be able to view your photo. And you can even change their role as well. So by default, it will be a viewer. So if you want, you can change it to commenter or even editor. So you can copy link and send it to whoever you want to collaborate with or share with, and they will be able to view this particular picture. I hope you found the video helpful, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.